Now let's test it. As you can see, the three types of format is printed. Now I use this model ZAT printer, and how can I know the IP address? That is the RG port right over here, and I must know the IP address, and that's how I do it. There is the off and on button and the feeder one. Okay, just keep pressing it and power it on. Now that is my IP address, this one, and this is the gateway. So I will join them to my computer and run the program. And one more thing, this port right over here is for the drawer, the cashier drawer. It's not for the Ethernet. This the Ethernet cable port, the RJ port. So I plug it in, and now it's work. Now in my computer I will go to the network and internet setting and change the adapter option right over here, and the Ethernet and the IPv4, the IP version 4, and I will type in the IP address that I get it from the printer as I show you before. So it will be in the subnet mask and the gateway. The most important thing is the gateway. Now let's try to ping the printer. As you can see, it's give us a response. Now let's create our program to print the unsupported format to this little piece of printer. With this three library, the screenshot to convert the widget to image, the bus printer to print that image when the image converted from UN8 byte to image, just image. Okay, so that's the function that will print the converted widget to image, and I just put all this content inside the screenshot. It's container, that's the width of the paper size, the width of it, and that is just to improve it can print in Arabic or Chinese. And let's see the function. The function convert the uint8 list to this variable, in this variable what I've created right over here, and this then the bus print function, and I pass the IB and the UN8 to it, and let's go to that. This is the function, and what else? And this is the function that will print the image with that width. And by the way, I put all this inside the list view, to have unknown, because it have unknown height, and I just put the width of it with that container, and that container can hold whatever you want right over here, because it's have a list view builder to when you print a receipt you have unknown height, and that's it.